Today in this video, I'll just show you how to make a Bluetooth speaker. So let's just begin. The parts that you'll require are first this Bluetooth receiver. As you can see here, you can easily connect this to a USB socket and take pin out from here. That is from this 3.5mm jack. We'll have to remove this and we'll continue. As you can see here, at the left side over here, this pin which is present over here, this one, that will be the VCC, that is the plus 5 volts, and the other pin which is at the right hand corner, this one, that will be the ground. The ground is common for this whole circuit, whether it is over here or here. So we'll connect a ground from here, and VCC, that is a plus 5 volts, will be given from this end. We'll even desolder and remove this USB pin, and there was already a 3.5mm female jack present over here to take the audio output. I've already desoldered that. This is the ground connection. We'll take the ground from here, and this is the left audio output. This first pin is the left audio, the middle pin is the right audio, and this is the ground. What we'll do is we'll connect the left and right audio pins together and take a common ground from it. Since we are building a mono Bluetooth speaker, it's not a stereo, so we'll have to connect the right and left together. Take one wire from here, other ground can be taken from here, here or here, according to your wish. The next part that you'll require is a speaker. You can use any speaker. I'm using this speaker, as you can see here. The next component is, this is a TIP41. It is a lithium polymer battery charging board. You can see here, this is a micro USB connector on this side, and the other side over here, this end and this end, you'll get positive and negative output to charge your battery. As soon as you connect the charger, first headlight indicator turns on in this. That means to say the battery is charging. Once the battery is fully charged, that thing will get disconnected, and then you'll have a blue light in this. So we're going to use this to charge the battery. Then we'll use this lithium polymer battery. As you can see here, there is a 4.2 volts battery. I'm using this since it gives good battery backup, so we'll use this thing. And you can use any switch. I'm using this switch which is over here. Now comes the main component. This is amplifier board. You can use any amplifier board, but I prefer to use this. This is a PAM 8402 amplifier board. As you can see here, it says this is the negative terminal, this is the positive 5 volts. This is a stereo amplifier. You will have left, right input and the ground. Since we are building a mono speaker, so we do not have to use both the channels. We can use only one channel. So we'll use the left or right, either of those channels. And this is the right output, the left output. As you can see, it's a class D power amplifier, so we prefer to use this. Okay. The next component that you'll require is a cabinet or a box where you'll have to fix these items inside. I'm preferring to use this container which I have right now. As you can see here, we'll mount all the components inside. So I'll just show you the circuit diagram, like how we are going to build it. You can use any box or any container that you prefer, but I'm using this. Now let's continue. Now I'll just show the circuit diagram. It's gonna be very simple. First, you'll have a speaker. Okay. This is the speaker. You'll have two wires. One is the positive and the negative. This goes straight into the amplifier. It depends on which terminal you use, right side or the left side. It goes to the amplifier. You'll have two mains for the amplifier. That is the power supply to the amplifier. This is the positive and the negative. Okay. And you'll have a signal input that is over here. This is the input. So what we'll do is, for this input, we'll take the same two wires, connect it to the Bluetooth board. Okay, and you'll have two power supply for the Bluetooth, also positive and negative. What we'll do is we'll connect these two terminals together. That is, this positive gets connected to this, and this negative gets connected to this thing. So finally you'll have two terminals, positive and negative. Okay, the negative goes to a switch, and from here it goes to the battery here, and the positive gets connected directly to the battery. And now comes a charging board, that is the TIP41. you will have the main socket here, and the output will be here to the positive and the negative. So we'll have to connect these two wires to the battery, the positive and negative. So connect it directly like this, and that's it, the circuit is done. It's very simple, as you can see here. As you can see guys, this is the container. I've made a cut here, small cut, that is for the battery charging port for the socket to enter, and even made a cut over here, that is for the switch. This is one thing. The next thing what I've done is, this is the top cap. You can see I've made many holes over here. I've made this since I'm gonna place the speaker over here, so the sound will come out from here, as you can see here. Now let's just start soldering the circuit. I've finished building the circuit, I've soldered it. The connection is very simple. I'll just show you. See, this is the battery, and this is the battery charging board. Two wires come from it, and they're connected. One is this side and this is this side. This is the positive side, this is the negative side. And the same two negative and positive wires, they have come straight. The negative goes to the switch, and from switch one wire is taken here, whereas the other positive wire comes straight like this. And as you can see here, this is the amplifier board. Okay, and this is the negative side, this is the positive side. I've used green color for the positive. The positive comes straight from the supply, it gets connected over here, and the same positive goes to the Bluetooth board. This is the positive side of the Bluetooth board, and this is the negative wire, and you can see the same negative wire, it is connected over here. And I've taken one output from here, that is the output signal. I've used the same green color wire. From here, the wire from here, I've taken the wire. That wire comes straight from here to the right input, that is over here. And it's not necessary to connect this ground to this, since there are only two boards involved. This one negative wire is enough, so we'll not have to connect one more ground from here to here. And this is the output from the speaker. These two wires are connected straight here. This is very simple circuit. Now I'll just start fixing it in the box, and I'll show you the finished product, as you can see here. Now I'll just turn this on and show it to you once. As you can see, it's turned on. We'll just have to connect it to a mobile, pair it, and then we can play the audio songs. I'll finish this whole project and then I'll show you how it works. I'll finish this whole project and then I'll show you how the audio plays in this and what's the audio quality. This is the box that I'm using, as I've already showed you. I'll just connect everything right now. This is the cabinet that I'm using. I'll just spray paint this in matte black color, assemble all these components inside this box, and then I'll show you. I finished almost half of the work right now. See, this is the cabinet which I've painted matte black. Okay, and you can see the battery, I've placed it inside vertically and I've glued it using glue gun over here and over here. And the charging board is present right over here at the bottom, that is over here. Okay, and this cut which I've made is for the switch. One I've connected it, and this is the speaker which I've connected to the cap, and you can see the holes this side. Now this is the board. Those two boards, I've glued them together like this. Yeah, glued them together like this. And this is the wire which is gonna, this is the wire, and this is the wire which is gonna enter from this hole, and it will be soldered over here. And then I'll push this switch inside and glue this thing to and cover the cap. Then our project will be complete. Let's continue. It's finally done. This is the speaker which I have fixed it to a cap. Okay, 2 wires from that go straight into the amplifier board, and I have even glued the Bluetooth board on top of the amplifier board. Okay, and the signal input wire is from here to here, and the positive and negative of this board, that is the amplifier board, is directly given to the Bluetooth board over here. And from that there are 2 wires. One wire goes straight into the switch, and from switch the other wire goes to the battery, and this is the positive wire which is directly connected from the battery. The negative wire gets split in between through switch. You can see here inside this cabinet the battery, I've glued it inside. Switch will be placed over here, and the charging board I've glued it over here at the bottom. Now I'll just assemble everything and I'll just show you the working of it. Do hit a like button if you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos also. And also comment below like if you have any doubts regarding this video, and people can even comment like which video should I make further in my channel. Do subscribe to my channel. We finished making the Bluetooth speaker. You can see how pretty it looks. Okay, and this is the switch, and this is the charging port over here, and there are 2 tiny holes inside this. I'll show you. As soon as you turn it on, you can hear the beep sound from the speaker from here, and you can even notice blue light which is blinking over here. You can connect the charger through this pin over here, and as soon as you connect the charger, red light will turn on, and you can see it from here. Once the battery is fully charged, it will turn into blue and automatically get disconnected. You will not have any problem. Finished making this Bluetooth speaker, I'll just turn it on. You can see a blue light flashing here. Now I'll just connect it to a mobile. You can see this is the device. It's asking me to pair. I've successfully finished pairing it. Now I'll just play a song and show it to you. Full volume. As you can see guys, we finished building the Bluetooth speaker. Do hit a like and share this video if you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.